Hi everyone, it's Don. It is Friday, January 23rd at about 11 a.m. And we have some historic action going on in the market, and I want to zero in and share it with you. But before I do, let me introduce myself. Once again, Bagger Don at stockmarketcaddy.com. I am a mentor. Susan is a mentor. Stockmarketcaddy.com is a mentoring service for those individuals passionate about trading the markets. We're all about extracting money flow, or excuse me, cash flow from the money flow. In doing so, by minimizing the emotions of fear and greed, by using algorithms and good, sound trading mechanics in much the same way that a football coach may march a team to a national championship, we're going to try to do or empower you to do the same. The good news is you don't have to beat me. You don't have to beat anyone. You just have to come in disciplined, patient, disciplined, and keep your margin levels, your bets proportional. We want to have no negative outliers, none, and we want to keep playing for the positive outliers. Before I point out the historic significance here on Swing Machine, let me just share with you what it's doing today, and it's been trading nirvana. The ES today, if you went long with one mini contract at 10.05, you would be up $600. If you did it with a micro, 60. If you did it with 10 minis, 6,000. Look at the NQ at 9:55, just 10 minutes earlier. And by the way, look what happened to the VIX, turned down at 10:05. So this happens virtually every day within 10 to 15 minutes of each other. The NQ, if you had gone long with one mini, you would be up 4,000. 10 minis, 40,000. The Dow is actually short. The Russell is short from yesterday, or actually from the morning, early this morning, which is kind of interesting itself. Now, the historic action. Look at gold. Gold is likely to break $5,000 an ounce today. It's at 49.76. If you had bought one contract at 710 this morning, you would be up 4 grand. A micro, 400. 10 contracts, you would be up 40 grand. Look at silver. Silver at 540 this morning. One silver contract, 9,400. It's over $100 an ounce. 10 of them, 94 grand. Now you might be thinking, Don, I don't want to be an active speculator, one of them nasty day traders. Well, we're actually intraday traders, but you can use the same tools to manage your portfolio. Let me show you something on silver. Let's put it on a daily basis. Excuse me, gold. We'll do silver too. Swing Machine went long gold 105 days ago, a little over 3 months. One measly contract, and you're up $152,000. If you went into GLD, you would be up 44% in 105 days. Now this one's probably going to make you want to barf. Check this out. Silver, 170 days ago. 170 days ago at 35.12 real time, one contract, $326,000. A 185% return, not real return, is much higher, obviously. The return is between the entry price and where it is now. Because this is leveraged, The amount of money it would have taken at that time was 18,000. What is that? A 2030 bagger? And while all that's been going on, let's look at what they call digital gold. Not so much. On a Bitcoin basis, went short 4 days ago. At about the time gold and silver were truly lifting off, Bitcoin was topping out at about $127,000 a coin. I am baggered on at stockmarketcaddy.com. If you want to learn to trade the markets day in, day out, you have the time, you have the capital, you have the risk tolerance, you have the discipline, you have the patience, and the desire. You do need to have a passion. Then we're prepared to help you realize your trading dreams. You can join as a monthly member that we have now. These are tools ranging from trading robots, paint bars, indicators, show me studies, for candles, for Renko, for point and figure, for custom Renko, for Kagi. You will get an education, and you can get these tools on your desktop as an annual member. It is required that you go through what we call our Trading Q School. It's a 3-week plus Trading Q School, and it's one-on-one, 3+ weeks. We have had some people say, I just don't have the time, and that's okay. We don't want to waste your time. But if you do, be sure to reach out, because we have folks in Q School now. It's a very busy time of the year for us, and we want to make sure that we have the time blocked off and available to you. You will get a chance to work with these tools during your Q School period. And if you decide at the end of that Q School to become an annual member, we're going to credit you back 30%. We'll give you back 1/3 the cost of the Q School toward your annual membership. Once you belong to Stock Market Caddy, the cost never goes up. We will keep trying to increase the value with more and more tools. For those that return as an annual member, we will give you an additional month free up to 6 years, which means you will reduce the effective cost of your annual membership over time by as much as 50%. Deflationary. It works. Why? Because you're going to become more and more independent, and you're going to become more and more profitable. It is a great formula for us, hopefully a great formula for you. But it starts with you. There is no singular holy grail. There's no one moving average or stochastic or any one thing that is going to automatically make you an experienced pilot, race car driver, scuba diver, or parachutist. The holy grail is you. You must have good acquired trading skill, and that starts with an education. So feel free, visit the site, call me any day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. at 813-758-8263. Happy to chat about the markets with you and answer any of your questions. Have a great weekend, folks.